Good morning, children. I'm Mrs. Niazi, your English class teacher. So, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start our first English class. Fine. So, if you don't understand anything in the class, you can take help from your parents. Let your parents help you in this. And even if you have any doubts, anything you didn't understand, you can come up to the school and clear your doubts. Okay. So, take out your English readers and take out your first lesson. He knows the work. So, children, today it's a day 1, first chapter. He knows the workman. Fine. So, it's a lesson about King Ashoka. You know who was the King Ashoka? Does anyone know? Fine, I'll tell you. King Ashoka was a great king of his time. अशोका जो था एक बहुत बड़ा राजा था अपने टाइम का. Like he was famous for his tactics in war. उसके जो war tactics रहते थे, जो टाइप से उन्हें war लड़ाई करता था, उसके लिए वो बहुत famous था. He was the ruler of which dynasty? Mayura dynasty. वो कहाँ का ruler था? Maurya dynasty, and he was the son of Chandragupta Mayur. Ashoka was the son of Chandragupta Mayur. And his history is, he changed to Buddhism. He was a fierce fighter. एक बहुत fierce, एक बहुत powerful king था, एक powerful warrior था. But suddenly वहाँ से वो shift हो गया. He changed himself into a peaceful and a calm man. How? Once he heard the teachings of Buddha. You know who is Buddha? बुद्धा कौन है पता है? He is a great preacher. So who follows his religion are called Buddhism. So one time he heard about the Buddhism. Ashoka heard about the Buddhism and he changed himself to Buddhism, leaving all things. अपना लड़ाई झगड़ा सब चीज़ें भूलकर he started believing in the religion of Buddhism. So after a great war of Kalinga, कलिंगा का एक ऐसा वॉर था जहाँ पे वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुआ. He was एक fierce battle हुआ जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग मारे गए. After seeing the bloodshed, वहाँ पे जितना खून खराबा उतना सारा खून खराबा देख के he changed himself, he completely changed हो गया. And after that time he started following a Buddhism religion. So today we are going to hear his story. Okay. Ashoka was a great king. He wanted to build a new temple in the capital city. All the people in the capital helped to build the temple. They tried their best to make it strong and beautiful. So Ashoka, the king Ashoka wanted to build a temple in his capital city. Okay, जो उनकी capital city थी, in that city he wanted to build a temple. So all the people in the capital helped to build the temple. उसके capital में जितने लोग थे, उसके kingdom में सारे जितने लोग थे, they wanted to help him in building the temple. So they tried their best to make it strong and beautiful. Wealthy people offered money, workmen put in the best work, others helped to prepare the stones and cut the timber. Everyone helped to build a great temple. So the one who are wealthy people in his kingdom, they offered him the money. Okay, जो rich people थे, they offered him the money. Workmen put in the best. So here, workmen. Who are workmen? The people who work, the laborers, जो मेहनत करते हैं, those persons are called as workmen. Other helped to prepare the stones and cut the timber. Everyone helped to build a great temple. So every people in the kingdom, each and every person were contributing. अपना अपना part share कर रहे थे temple बनाने के लिए. So one day, what happened? One day, an old man came to Ashoka's court. His name was Jaikishan. He was a stone carver. He carved beautiful figures and designs in its stone. Figures and designs in stone. Now he was very old and his hand shook a little. Yet he was a good workman. He took interest in his work. So one day, what happened? An old man came to Ashoka's court. एक old man यानी एक बूढ़ा आदमी, he came to the kingdom, दरबार आया, and he was a stone carver and his name was Jaikishan. What was his name? His name was Jai Kishan. Right. Workman. His name was Jai Kishan. And he was a stone carver. Who are stone carvers? Stone carver किसे बोलते हैं? The person who carve stone. जो मूर्ति बनाते हैं, जिसको शेप देते हैं. देखे ना आप कई बार पत्थर से शेप, पत्थर को एक उसमें से अच्छा कट करके शेप देके उसको एक अच्छी एक ब्यूटीफुल मूर्ति बनाते हैं. Those persons are called as stone carver. Fine. So this man Jai Kishan was a stone carver, but he was very old. बहुत बूढ़ा था. He carved beautiful figures and designs in stone. Now he was very old and his hands shook a little. So as he was old, his hands used to shake a little while he was doing work. Shake a little means tremble, na? Yet he was a good workman. He took interest in his work. So when he was offered to build a temple, he took a great interest in the work and he started working on it. Ashoka ordered Jai Kishan to carve the figure of Lord Buddha in a corner. This corner of the temple was nearly always dark. Here no one would ever see the figure of the Lord Buddha very clearly. People only see the face of the statue clearly. So Ashoka the king, what he did, he ordered Jai Kishan to carve the figure of Lord Buddha. So Ashoka king क्या करे, Jai Kishan को बोले कि एक corner of the court, okay. So टेम्पल जो बन रही थी वो टेम्पल के एक कॉर्नर में वहाँ पे बुद्धा की एक पिक्चर कार्व करने के लिए बोले. ओके, टू carve a picture of Buddha. Fine. So what happened? This corner of the temple was nearly always dark. So जो टेम्पल का जो कॉर्नर था in the place where the statue of Buddha was to be carved, that was very dark. Fine. So here no one would ever see the figure of Lord Buddha very clearly. So mostly एक कॉर्नर में आप अगर एक स्टैचू लगा दो तो nobody will notice, isn't it? जो ब्राइट एंड क्लियर प्लेस पे हम लोग वही नोटिस करते हैं, बट द थिंग जो कॉर्नर में है, एक डार्केस्ट प्लेस में है, घर के कॉर्नर की कोई चीज़ हम लोग भी नोटिस नहीं करते, isn't it? So same way, people only see the face of the statue clearly. तो जब ये जय किशन को स्टैचू कार्व करने के लिए बोले एक कॉर्नर में, सो इट वाज द डार्केस्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द टेम्पल, उसमें से बस स्टैचू का फेस ही दिखाई देता था, देन रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी डजंट लुक देयर, इट कांट. सो व्हाट डिड डू? सो जय किशन स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन द स्टैचू व्हेन ही वाज ऑर्डर्ड बाय द किंग. जब उनको ऑर्डर दे दिए किंग तो उन्होंने वही डार्केस्ट कॉर्नर में स्टैचू बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिए. फाइन. Jai Kishan worked hard day and night. He made beautiful statue, but this is not enough, he thought. So he went on carving. He carved the entire statue carefully. The garments of the statue were carved in stone, but they looked so soft and thin as if they're made of silk. So what did Jai Kishan did? He did his work very nicely. He carved out a beautiful statue of Lord Buddha. So here we can see in the picture that he has carved the beautiful picture of Lord Buddha. But this is not enough. He thought to himself के ये picture अभी भी, ये statue अभी भी बहुत attractive नहीं लग रहा है, बहुत beautiful नहीं लग रहा है. So what he did? So he went on carving. उसको और ज़्यादा carve करते गए, उसको और ज़्यादा नक्शकारी करते गए उस पर. Fine. He carved the entire statue carefully. The garments of the statue were carved in stone, but looked so soft and thin as if they were made of silk. So the garments, kids look here, the garments, the robe that he is wearing, this was made in the stone itself only. Stone में ही उनके garments, garments means so the garments means dress. So the dress of the Lord Buddha was carved so neatly in the stone that it used to look like as if it is made of silk. उनका ड्रेस कैसा दिखाई दे रहा था? थे तो वो स्टैचू, दैट टू पत्थर के बने हुए, लेकिन उनके कपड़े इतना अच्छा कार्व किए गए थे, इतना अच्छा नक्श किए गए थे कि वो पत्थर का भी क्या दिख रहा था? ड्रेस ऐसा दिख रहा था कि इट इज़ मेड ऑफ सिल्क. इतना बारीकी से उसको इतना नीटली कार्व किया गया था कि इट यूज्ड टू लुक लाइक अ सिल्क. So one day the king sent a man to that corner. The man saw Jai Kishan carving the statue. He saw how beautiful the carving looked. He saw how carefully and lovingly Jai Kishan worked. So one day what did the king do? He sent a man to look the work what has Jai Kishan did. Fine. So the man saw Jai Kishan carving the statue. What did the man saw? राजा क्या करे एक दिन? Ashoka the great king what he did? He sent a man. एक आदमी को भेजकर बोले कि देख कर आओ जय किशन कितना अच्छा वर्क कर रहे हैं. So the man went in there and he saw कि Jai Kishan was doing his work immensely. Okay, बहुत deeply, बहुत neatly, beautifully अपना work कर रहे थे. He saw how beautiful the carving looked. He saw how carefully and lovingly Jai Kishan worked. The man smiled. He asked Jai Kishan, why do you take so much trouble with the garments? No one will see your work in this dark corner. No one will know who did it. So the man who came from the king, he said, he smiled and said, Jai Kishan, why do you take so much trouble with the garments? एक स्टैचू के गारमेंट्स, एक स्टैचू का ड्रेस बनाने के लिए तुम इतना सारा ट्रबल क्यों ले रहे हो? ये एक ऐसे कॉर्नर में टेम्पल बना है जहाँ पे nobody will come and see the statue. टेम्पल के एक कॉर्नर में, एक डार्केस्ट कॉर्नर में आप स्टैचू बना रहे हैं, वो भी इतना नीटली बना रहे हैं, ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना नीट बनाने की इसको. Nobody will ever notice that. It's a waste of thing. Just leave it. No one will know who did it. So the man is saying कि जय किशन इतना नीट मत बनाओ, कोई भी देखते भी नहीं उसको, एंड किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता कि कौन बनाए सो. That may be, said old Jai Kishan, but God can see my work even in this dark corner. He also knows the workman. So the twist of the story is here. The old man, he is very old, we know now, and he was carving with his trembling hands. So क्या कर रहे थे? अपने बहुत शेकी हैंड से पिक्चर बना रहे थे, स्टैचू बना रहे थे. दैट टू अपने एक ब्यूटीफुल, अपनी एक थिंकिंग से, एक क्रिएटिविटी, एक ब्यूटीफुल लेकर बना रहे थे. बट द मैन ही सेड कि डोंट मेक इट सो मच ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स वेस्ट ऑफ अ थिंग, ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना ब्यूटीफुल बनाने की, nobody will see दे. To this the man replied, the old man replied Jai Kishan ki, I know nobody will see my work, I know nobody will notice it in the work in the darkest corner of the temple, but God can see my work even in this dark corner, and He also knows the workman. So God, who is always watching us, He knows and who is the workman, and He can see my work even in the dark corner. So Jai Kishan is saying कि मैं कोई भी अंधेरे में काम कर लूँ, मेरे को अल्लाह ताला देखने वाले हैं मेरा काम, एंड अल्लाह ताला नोज कि हु इज़ द वर्कमैन. ये स्टैचू बनाने वाला वर्कमैन कौन है ये भी अल्लाह ताला देखे, एंड ये स्टैचू कैसा बना, कितने भी अंधेरे में रहो, कितने भी डार्क कॉर्नर में हो, ये भी अल्लाह ताला को पता है. सो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग फियर्ड बाय द किंग, मुझे अशोका द ग्रेट किंग से डर नहीं है, एंड द मैन हु केम आई एम नॉट फियरिंग फॉर दैट ऑल्सो, बट आई फियर अल्लाह. मैं जब अकेले में काम कर लूँ तो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि मुझे कोई नहीं देख रहा है, आई कैन डू दैट. बट रिमेंबर किड्स दैट वी मस्ट fear always Allah. So what's this moral of the story of it? That kids, whenever we do things, mostly हम क्या करते हैं, मम्मा कहीं घर पे पैसे रखते हैं, right? We'll take it secretly without telling her. मम्मा यहाँ 10 rupees है, हम ले लिए, छुपा लिए, and we started enjoying with that money. We know कि मम्मा नहीं देखे, भैया नहीं देखे, दीदी नहीं देखे, but can we think अल्लाह ताला तो हमको देखे, isn't it? इसका हिसाब तो अल्लाह ताला के पास हमको देना है, राइट? सो वेन एवर यू डू अ रॉन्ग थिंग, जस्ट रिमेंबर कि अल्लाह सुब्हाना ताला इज वॉचिंग अस. अल्लाह ताला हमें क्या कर रहा है, हर टाइम देख रहा है, इवन इन द डार्केस्ट कॉर्नर एंड इवन इन अ क्लोज रूम. हम अगर रूम के अंदर भी अकेले रह के कोई चीज़ ले रहे हैं, मम्मा से छुपा के मिठाई खा ले रहे हैं, मम्मा से छुपा के पैसे ले रहे हैं, मम्मा से छुपा के बहुत सारे काम कर रहे हैं, बट मम्मा तो नहीं देख रहे हैं, पापा भी नहीं देख रहे हैं, अब्बू नहीं देख रहे, भैया नहीं देख रहे, दीदी नहीं देख रहे, बट Allah Ta'ala is always watching us. So kids, stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.